Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. I appreciate you tuning in and taking the time to join us. I hope each and every one of you are having a fantastic day. My goal for today's video is to provide you with valuable information that you can immediately apply. Whether you're seeking guidance, inspiration, or practical tips, I'm confident you'll find this video both helpful and useful. So, without any further delay, let's dive right into today's content. Things you should consider when starting out on a business or creative endeavor. Embarking on the journey of starting a business or pursuing a creative endeavor is thrilling, but it's essential to have a well-structured plan in place. This roadmap will serve as your compass, ensuring you stay on course and achieve your objectives. In the ever-evolving landscape of entrepreneurship and creative expression, success is often a result of meticulous planning, relentless dedication, and a deep understanding of your niche. Whether you're aspiring to launch a startup, establish an online presence, or bring your creative visions to life, this comprehensive guide will provide you with the essential steps and insights needed to navigate the path to success. Step 1. Define your aspirations. Begin by clarifying your goals for your business or creative endeavor. Are you aiming to generate revenue, cultivate a loyal following, or create something deeply meaningful? Once your objectives are crystal clear, you can begin to construct a strategic plan to attain them. Step 2. Understand your target audience. Conduct thorough research on your target audience. Who are the individuals you seek to connect with through your business or creative work? What are their needs and pain points? The better you comprehend your audience, the more effectively you can cater to their requirements. Step 3. Choose your niche. Within your broader subject area, narrow your focus to a specific niche. This specialization will enable you to develop profound expertise, connect with your ideal customers more effectively, and produce content that resonates profoundly with your audience. Why niching down to a sub-niche is so important when choosing your path. When you're choosing a topic or niche for your business or creative endeavor, it's important to consider niching down to a sub-niche. This means focusing on a smaller, more specific area within your overall topic. There are several reasons why niching down to a sub-niche is important. This is because there are fewer people who are experts in a particular sub-niche than in a more general topic area. This makes you more credible and trustworthy to potential customers or clients. This is because niche businesses are better able to target their ideal customers and offer them the specific products or services they're looking for. Here are some examples of sub-niches. Sub-niche: social media marketing for small businesses. Sub-niche: writing blog posts for technology companies. If you're not sure which sub-niche to focus on, here are a few tips. What are you good at? What are their needs and pain points? Look for underserved markets. Are there any sub-niches that are not well served by existing businesses or creators? Once you've chosen a sub-niche, you can start to develop your expertise and create content that is tailored to your target audience. Here are some tips for creating content for a sub-niche. Be yourself. Let your personality shine through in your content. People can tell when you're being authentic, and they're more likely to connect with you on a personal level. Niching down to a sub-niche is one of the best ways to increase your chances of success. By focusing on a smaller, more specific area, you can develop deeper expertise, target your ideal customers more effectively, and create content that is more likely to resonate with your audience. Step 4. Develop your product or service. Outline the specifics of the product or service you intend to offer your customers or audience. With a clear vision, you can proceed to develop and bring your offering to market. Step 5. Create a comprehensive marketing plan. Formulate a robust marketing plan that outlines your goals, strategies, and tactics. This plan will be your roadmap for reaching your target audience and informing them about your product or service. Step 6. Launch your venture. Once all the pieces are in place, It's time to launch your business or creative endeavor. Starting small is perfectly acceptable, and you can expand as you gain momentum. Step 7. Monitor progress and adapt. Regularly track your progress and be prepared to make adjustments as necessary. This proactive approach will help you stay on course and ensure you reach your goals. Additional guidance. 1. Practice patience. Building a thriving business or creative venture takes time. Don't become disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Stay committed to your efforts, keep producing outstanding content, and your goals will eventually materialize. 2. Embrace persistence. Challenges and setbacks are inevitable, but resilience is your greatest asset. Maintain your determination and keep pushing forward, even when faced with adversity. Your dreams are worth the effort. 3. Express authenticity. Allow your unique personality to shine through in your work. Authenticity is readily discernible, and people are more inclined to connect with creators who are genuine. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content and found it helpful, please leave a comment below to share your thoughts. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable information. To stay updated on our latest uploads, click the notification bell. If you think this video could help others, please share it with your friends and family. Your support is greatly appreciated, and we're excited to bring you more engaging content in the future. Don't forget to check out the resource links in the description below and click on the video currently on the screen for more engaging content.